Sending a fax directly from your email application. Start a new email. In the To field, enter your contact's fax number, with no spaces or other separators, followed by @faxbis.com. You can enter several recipients using the same system for each address. You can also enter a subject and a body text if needed. These will be shown on the fax cover sheet. Now attach the document you want to fax to the email. Try to stick to Word, PowerPoint, Excel and PDF file types. You can attach several documents. They will be compiled into a single fax. Press Send. That's it. Your mail and attachments are then converted and sent by fax to each recipient. As you see, it's an actual fax that comes through at the receiving end. At your end, you receive an email directly displaying the transmission report, along with the first few lines of the fax. And FAXBIS works exactly the same way with Lotus Notes,
Outlook, Outlook.com, Entourage, Mail on Mac, Gmail, Yahoo Mail, Orange, SFR, Numéricable, Bouygues Telecom, Free, Lacoste.net, Thunderbird, Voila!